How to upload your own audio to Instagram Story. If you want to add a song to your story but can't find it in Instagram's music library, there's a way to work around this. First, you need to use a video editing app called CapCut. This app is free and available on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Start by downloading CapCut and opening the app. Tap on New Project and select the video or photo you want to use in your Instagram story. If the image or video is not in your camera roll, you can take a new one and then add it to CapCut. Once your media is in the timeline, remove the CapCut watermark by tapping on it and selecting Delete. Now, to add music, tap on the Audio option at the bottom. There are two main ways to add custom music. The first way is by using the Extracted option. This allows you to take the audio from a video in your camera roll. To do this, record a video of the song playing on another device, then select that video in CapCut. The app will extract the audio and add it to your project. When you're happy with the final result, tap the Export button in the top right corner. After the video is saved, open Instagram, go to the Story section and select the video you just created. From there, you can add text, stickers, or any other effects before posting it to your story. That's how to upload your own audio to Instagram Story.